Hey guys, it is Friday, June the 30th. We're back at Mammoth again. Yesterday's video, I didn't realize until I was editing it how sloppy I rode in the park. I kept doing the same trick over and over on the jumps and fell off almost every rail early. A lot of the slides were kind of zeeched and shitty and whatever. So today's mission is to actually film some decent park clips. I realized last night I have not filmed a nose press at all this year. I used to have them on lock, so there's many clips of nose presses. Not a single one this year. So I want a nose press. I want some different grabs on the jumps. I actually want to do a clean nose grab on the jump too. Possibly a really bent tail grab. So let me get some clothes on, get up here on the mountain, get a few laps in the park, and see if we can't get a few clips. Gotta shout out my buddy Piper in Reno. This hoodie is dope, dude. I love it. Yeah, I felt like that was very shitty. Oh, the wind fell on that last one. I don't know what it is about that nose press. I cannot commit to diving into it and locking in. I like hop on and then start leaning and it's all like bullshit. Jumps are feeling better though. I got my tweaked tail grab, got the nose grab that I was looking for. I really want to spin them, but with the camera in my hand, it's kind of weird. So hot. I cannot believe this. I never in my life would have ever dreamed that I would be on day 98 in one season. It's so freaking awesome. I said it earlier today and I was riding down the hill and I don't know if you could hear it, but huge shout out to Piper for this hoodie. Piper's a new homie in Reno. He was like, you and I are the only two that own them so far. Well, let me tell you something. This Make Your Momentum lifestyle, it's actually a really freaking dope hoodie. It's thin enough that it's cool, which granted it's so hot right now that I'm still hot, but this morning it was super comfy. So again, shout out to Piper for that one. I really appreciate that hoodie, dude. It's freaking awesome. So let's go to the top, do a rundown, and then decide if I'm done for the day or if we're gonna keep going. So I'm sweaty, and last night was warm enough, like that was the first night that it was warm enough that I kind of got a little warm sleeping. I do that often. I sweat a lot in my sleep. So I'm in bad need of a shower, and there's no Planet Fitness anywhere close to here. So I actually like finally have to fix my shower. I think I'm gonna do that today. I'm absolutely beat. Woo! Man, I'm tired. And we're back to the van. That was the day right there. What a day. So, I think while I'm sitting here in the parking lot, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some more butternut squash because there's a dumpster right there. I can throw all the scraps in and I don't have to worry about some kind of wildlife or something like that ransacking my camp over some butternut squash. So I'm gonna cut some up. Might even go ahead and cook it. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't ate. So yeah, see you in a minute. Can't believe I just did that. So I just knocked these out, and all that squash that I just cut up is right there. Fuck. This is so freaking good. I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna get water. This is, I think, the fastest I've ever seen one fill. There's air shooting out of here. That's the first time I've gotten water since Grand Junction. That was like 3 weeks ago. I've been putting this off for too long, but I gotta fix this water heater. Which means I gotta get all this crap out. Take this out, be able to access my drawers. Take the water heater out, see if I can braze it back together where it's busted. Then hook it all back up. If you can't tell, I'm not excited. It's out. That was an absolute pain in the ass. Now let's see if I can fix it. found the spot. Inside there, you can see that busted pipe. Well, I can't get this outer cage off for some reason, so I'm gonna try to JB weld it through this and just dab it, completely cover it. We'll see if that fixes it. So I've got it JB welded. That's curing. I'll put another ball valve in so that if this ever happens again, I can actually cut the water off without having to actually disconnect the water heater. Because that was a pain. I had to actually, like, it's still capped. That cap right there had to be put on in the freezing cold winter whenever I could just cut the ball valve off. And if I cut the ball valve off and then I open the hot water side and I blow it out, there should be no water in there for it to freeze and do this again. Let's put it back in. I'm so excited. I finally officially have hot water in my van again. Yes. I haven't showered in a few days and I'm in need. It's all packed away. I am gonna go edit some more. Stoked that that's working again. So stoked that that's working. Game changer to be able to get clean again. Game changer. All right. Now I'm going to put my sheet on my bed finally, because I also noticed in yesterday's episode that my bed looked nasty as hell because I didn't have the sheet on it. So I'm going to do that too. And then I'm just going to chill.